Hi, my name is Ifat. I'm a volunteer here at Tech Tuesdays UK. Could you please start by introducing yourself?
Absolutely. Hi, Ifat.
Yeah.
I'm Hamaad Akbar. I am a Innovation Associate Manager at GSMA, specifically working in their Foundry, which is the innovation hub for GSMA.
Lovely to meet you. My next question to you is, how has your experience been at Tech Tuesday UK today?
So, yeah, it's been really great so far. Yeah, so Tech Tuesday has been really enjoyable. I've got to meet a range of different people, from students who have just graduated from university asking for advice to CEOs of companies who are giving me advice. And the discussions have been very free-flowing. The panel was interesting and very current. The topic was very, very current. And I'd be interested in coming to another one.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. And lastly, before you sign off, is there a parting off message you'd like to give everyone watching?
Don't be shy. Ask dumb questions. People are happy and willing to answer these questions. It sounds stupid to you, but it's not stupid.
Wonderful, all good. Thanks so much for your time.
You're welcome.